This next hair hack is pretty cool. I use it whenever I'm using a board, whenever I'm painting in general, and when I'm using a foil. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make sure that when I'm painting a section that I put some product on the section to prime it. Get it nice and primed here, boom. Now I'm gonna take my section that I'm gonna paint on, and let's just imagine that I'm gonna foliage this section here. I'm gonna take my board, pop it underneath, and it's just gonna rest on that product like glue. And I can go ahead and saturate the product as much as I want. It's so nice using a board. So clean, isn't it? So clean. The nice thing about this technique is that I'm not worried about really pushing through the product because I know that there is product on the underside of this foil and it's holding it there. Boom. Obviously you want to do a better job than that, but that's a hair hack. Pre-paint the foil and you're good to go.